there's 22 main alchemy symbols, and there's 4 main groups of alchemy symbols, but the main symbol that we need to focus on if we want to use alchemy to manifest is the Philosopher's Stone. So the Philosopher's Stone is a legendary substance believed to be able to turn base metals into gold and provide eternal life. If you Google the Philosopher's Stone, you'll see a lot of articles telling you that, oh, you know, people used to search their whole lives for this substance and it turned out to just be a myth. No. These ancient alchemists were hiding their secrets in their symbols, and they hid a secret in this symbol, and they hid it so well that people never figured it out to this day. So here's what the secret of the Philosopher's Stone is, and I'm going to be straight up with you. I heard Teal Swan say this in an interview when she was explaining her tattoo. So some of this information is coming from her. The center is the void, pure potential energy, activated by thought and purified by universal energy equals manifestation. So the message of this symbol, the secret of this symbol is mind activates potential energy to create manifestations. Well, this is a very simple manifestation tool. It's a 1-2 step. It's essentially a create, let go, create, let go, create, let go, and allow universal energy to do most of the work. So to manifest, you need to activate with your thought and you need to let go, purified by universal consciousness. So we're starting out with pure potential energy. What is pure potential energy? This is essentially anything that you can't see. It's energy around you that has not yet manifested into a physical form. We're going to take this pure potential energy, we are going to activate it with our thought, and we are going to purify it with universal energy, and then the pure potential energy will become our manifestation, which is also one of the hidden secrets in this symbol. The what is nothingness of the pure potential energy is the same as the everythingness of the manifestation. So this would be as simple as step 1, creating consciously with your thoughts. So these are tools like affirming, visualizing, consciously identifying the coordinates, the energetic frequency of your manifestation. Then you would move into step 2, letting go. The best tool for this, in my opinion, is mindfulness meditation. You're focusing on your breath or a mantra. You're not focusing on your goal anymore. You are letting it go and you are bringing your energy back into your body and you're focusing on your breath, or you can also focus on a mantra like Soham. Soham is a Hindu mantra meaning I am. So if you do those 2 things, visualize, let go, your manifestation has to happen. It's a universal law. The universe will purify the energy and it will manifest. I also think this symbol does a great job of explaining why sometimes a bunch of negative circumstances will happen as soon as you set the intention to manifest something. You'll hear people say, well, I set this intention to manifest money and then I got all these bills in the mail. Well, what's happening here? Your energy is being purified by universal consciousness. So anything that's not a match to your desire is being purified by universal energy. These conflicting energies that are not a match to what you're trying to manifest are coming up to the surface to be released so that your energy can be purified to be only energies that are a match to what you're creating. And that's why these negative things happen. The Philosopher's Stone is a really powerful symbol. The 1-2 step of how manifestation works. The thought, the let go, the thought, the let go. So elegant how they were able to simplify complex manifestation practices that you hear about into this simple symbol demonstrating how mind creates reality. I love it. I think it's beautiful. If you liked this video, if you thought it was helpful, click the like button below and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!